Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum kids. How are you? Hope so you will be fine and doing good at your homes. This is your science class. And first of all, I will tell you about today's moral lesson. Our moral lesson is save the water. Dear kids, water is very important for our life. पानी जो है वो हमारी लाइफ के लिए, हमारी ज़िंदगी के लिए बहुत अहम है और हमें इसको ज़ाया नहीं करना चाहिए. सो टर्न ऑफ द टैप एंड सेव वाटर. हम किसी भी पर्पज़ के लिए जब वाटर यूज़ कर रहे होते हैं, पानी को यूज़ करके कोई भी काम कर रहे हैं, तो हमें उसे ज़ाया नहीं करना चाहिए. ओके, सो सेव द वाटर. Dear kids, this is the 5th week of your online classes and today we will read our lesson number 5, that is Birds and Insects. Here comes the lesson. Now read with me. B-I-R-D-S, birds. A-N-D and I-N-S-E-C-T-S, insects. Birds and insects. What are birds? Birds fly in the air. They have beaks and wings. Birds fly in the air. Birds जो होते हैं ना वो air में fly करते हैं. Birds are flying animals and they have beaks and they fly with the help of their wings. Okay, look, here is the picture in front of you. Here are many birds. Now read with me. Look at the first bird, P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. Parrot is a very beautiful bird and most of the people like to keep पैरट्स एट देयर होम्स. बहुत से लोग जो हैं वो पैरट को अपने घर पे रखना पसंद करते हैं एज अ पेट एनिमल. ओके, नाउ रीड द नेक्स्ट बर्ड, H-E-N, hen. Hen is a bird. Now look at the next bird, E-A-G-L-E, gull, eagle. Eagle is also a bird and often eagle fly at the high mountains. Now look at the next bird, crow, C-R-O-W, crow. Crow अक्सर आप देखते हैं ना, crow is a bird. Now look at the next bird, S-P-A-R-R-O-W, sparrow. Yes, sparrow is also a bird. Now look at the next bird. Which bird is this? Yes, D-U-C-K, duck. Duck is also a bird. Okay, we have read these birds, the names of these birds. Again, read with me. Yes, firstly we have read parrot. Then the next bird is hen, eagle, crow, sparrow, duck. Okay, these are all birds and all these birds have wings. Okay, now I will tell you what are insects. Insects are tiny animals. Tiny? What is the meaning of tiny? Tiny means very small. Insects are very small animals. Okay, all insects have 6 legs. Insects क्या होते हैं? Insects are very small animals. Insects are tiny animals. Look, here is the picture of some insects in front of you. Now read with me. Read the first insect, butterfly, B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-Y, fly. Butterfly. Yes, butterfly is also a very beautiful insect. Now read the next insect. Ant. A-N-T. Ant. Yes, ant is a very hard-working insect. Now read the next insect. Which one is this? Grasshopper. Yes, G-R-A-S-S. Grass. H-O-P-P-E-R. Hopper. Grasshopper. Yes, now the next insect is ladybird. L-A-D-Y. Lady. B-I-R-D. Bird. Ladybird. Ladybird is also an insect. Now look at the next insect. Which one is this? Yes, cockroach. C-O-C-K. R-O-A-C-H. Cockroach. Oh, we don't like cockroach. Now look at the next insect. H-O-U-S-E. House. F-L-Y. Fly. Housefly. Housefly is also an insect. And housefly को तो आप अक्सर देखते हो. Okay, now these are all insects. These are all very small animals. So these are called insects. Okay kids, now I will show you some more pictures of birds and insects. Here is the picture of a pigeon. Yes, it is a pigeon, and pigeon is a bird. Which bird is this? Yes, peacock. Peacock is a very colorful and beautiful bird. Okay, what is this? Yes, mosquito. It is mosquito. Mosquito is an insect or bird? Yes, it is a very small animal, so it is an insect. This is honeybee. Honeybee is also an insect. Okay kids, now you have seen the pictures of these birds and insects. Now we will revise our lesson. Birds and insects. Birds fly in the air. They have beaks and wings. And what are insects? Insects are tiny animals, very small animals. And all insects have 6 legs. Yes, okay kids. Now you have to learn this lesson, that what are birds and what are insects, and you also have to learn the names of different birds and insects from your book. Okay? Now take care. Khuda Hafiz.